So first of all, बच्चे, inside our chapter which we completed, we have discussed the question answers also, and today we'll make a diagram. Two prominent diagrams are there. One is inside our earth, interior of the earth, and the second one is rock cycle. Okay, so undoubtedly rock cycle or inside our earth, otherwise we people have done, but here I'm going to make you people are supposed to copy down, you people are supposed to do it, and in between I'll ask you to show me your notebooks. Got it? Wherever you people will make the diagram, I'll ask you people to show me a notebook. If your video is off, but whenever I announce your name, you are supposed to switch it on and you are supposed to show me a diagram. If you won't follow it, I'll remove you from the class. Okay, bachche? And Natik and Krishna, you want to say something? You raise your hand, Natik. Yes, Natik.
मैम आपका बोर्ड बहुत ब्लर दिख रहा है.
Is it so? To every one of you?
यस मैम मैम थोड़ा थोड़ा ब्लर दिख रहा है मैम आपका.
Yes, ma'am. Little bit.
नेटवर्क बैंडविड्थ इज लो.
मैम लिटिल बिट दिख रहा है.
Is it okay now?
मैम योर नेटवर्क इज लो.
Okay. Here I have made all the.
यस मैम इट इज क्लियर.
Yeah, it is clear now. है ना? So sometime it happens. So all of you kindly switch off your speaker. Switch off your speakers, please. Whenever. Yes, beta ji, पूछो. Yes.
मैम आई एम यूजिंग द लैपटॉप. मैम ऊपर आपको
Loud,
जैसे
Hanvi.
वीडियो आई.
Loud.
योर नेटवर्क बैंडविड्थ इज लो. मैम आपका नेटवर्क बैंडविड्थ लो है.
I'm not getting
मैम
what
अभी भी
saying.
मैम
आपका नेटवर्क
यहाँ पर
बैंडविड्थ लो
ऊपर
है.
लिखा आ रहा है.
Only Dhanvi will speak. Rest of you switch off your speaker. Yes, Dhanvi.
मैम आपका बोर्ड अभी भी ब्लर आ रहा है और ऊपर लिखा आ रहा है कि आपका बैंडविड्थ लो है.
Okay, but maybe some problem is here in here because rest of the students are saying everything is okay.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, धर्मजीत मैम वेटिंग रूम में है.
No one is here from my side. No one is in the waiting room, butter. So I'm going to start. All of you, please be very attentive so that you people can score very good marks in the diagram also. So we know diagrams definitely a part of your paper. So we are supposed to do it. And I repeat side by side, I'll ask you people to show me a notebook. If you people won't show me the notebook, what I will do, I will remove you from the class. So side by side, do the diagram. I'm going to make first diagram, that is interior of earth. Make a big circle. Make a big circle. In between, no one will speak. Then just take the central point and divide it like this. Here, make 3 layers. First layer should not be very thin, also should not be very thick. It should be like this. This is crust of the earth. It should not be very thick. This is known as crust of the earth. C-R-U-S-T. Below crust, then you will make a big thick layer that is known as mantle. You can use another symbol to avoid any type of confusion right now, because this is mantle. You can use simple symbol. You can color it with some other, like I have used a different color. Here it is blue and here it is almost purple, but maybe it is not very much clearly visible on the blackboard. So you can use different color and make this portion very thick. And the name of this layer is mantle, M-A-N-T-L-E. Mantle. Second layer should be very thick. Third layer, the remaining area, this portion, I'm using a separate color, that is green. This layer is known as core. This is core. Core layer, further we can divide into how many parts? 2 parts. So which are those 2 parts? Inner core and outer core. So this is, write down here, center of the earth, inner core. And here you can note, write down this area, the outer boundary of the core, that is outer core. Inner core and outer core. And what is another name of crust? That is lithosphere. Hard portion of the earth crust is known as lithosphere. So this can be of 5-mark diagram. Now while making the diagram, you people are supposed to be very careful. Neatness is very important, and here you can see in the diagram, I have written all in capital letter. Nothing is in small letter here. You can see it and make it a habit. Whatever diagram people will make, every time write down in capital letters. It gives good impression. And this is mantle. So from the layers, you can see the thickness. Thin, thickest. And core we have written divided in 2 parts, inner core and outer core. All of you done? Okay, do it. We are not at all in a hurry. But whatever you will make, it should be good. Next diagram I'm going to make. I'll make once it is done by you. Name of the diagram is this diagram, inside interior of our earth. Interior of our earth. So I repeat, you can use compass to draw a circle, you can use your own bangle or kada, and you can use various colors to show 3 different layers of earth. Outer layer should be thin, middle layer is required to be very thick, and the core divided in 2 parts, inner and outer core.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, बच्चे.
मैम ये डायग्राम मुझे फेयर नोटबुक पे बनाने हैं.
क्या कह रहे हो? फेयर नोटबुक पे बनाने हैं? Yeah, you can use.
मम्मी
Yes, Anab, yes.
ओके मैम.
Have to make.
मैम जेट को चेक करने के लिए भेजनी है.
हाँ जी. Yes, Kanaf.
मैम फिर ये चेक आपको चेक करने के लिए भेजनी है.
No need. If notebook.
जान के मारी है. जान के नोटबुक मारी तो मेरे को.
Check. It's okay. Got it?
मैम
Yes.
मैम मैंने आपको कहना था कि मेरी कॉपी ना भी चेक होके वापस नहीं मिली.
We'll discuss later on, right? All your notebooks are in your group only. Don't worry.
ओके मैम.
Yeah. So is this okay? Done, all of you? Show me thumbs up or show me thumbs down.
Yes, ma'am.
So those who are left, kindly show me thumbs down. Otherwise, I'll remove it. I repeat, these diagrams you are supposed to do on your notebook. Do practice of it. Okay, I'm coming to you now. This is Satvik. Roll number 49. Show me a notebook. Switch on your video.
मेरा नंबर आएगा तो मैं दिखा दूंगी मैं अपना
Satvik,
यस मैम।
show me a notebook, beta ji.
मैम डायग्राम वाली जिसपे
Yes,
डायग्राम बनाया है।
yes. Where are you, Satvik? Show me a notebook. Not able to see still. Yeah, bit. Okay, hold on. Let me check. Satvik, you are making it with pen. And it's okay. You have done it. It's okay, good. But kindly do it with pencil and kindly do neat and clean. ठीक है बच्चे? Okay. Now coming
Okay,
to
ma'am.
Aditya Arora. Aditya Arora. Show me a notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, show me a notebook, beta. Aditya, I'm waiting.
Ma'am, कौन सी?
Of notebook, the diagram.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Aditya. Yes, Aditya. Show me a notebook. Aditya. Yes.
1
beta.
minute, ma'am.
नहीं बनाया?
1 minute, ma'am.
Where are you? Okay. Aditya, I need 1 minute. No problem is here. We'll ask from Dhanvi. Yes, Dhanvi. Show me, बच्चे. Mic is in your hand.
Yes,
Mic.
ma'am.
Yes, Dhanvi. Show me a notebook, beta. Not visible. Okay. Bit back. Back लेके जाइए. Dhanvi. You have written something in a small letter which is not at all admirable. Yeah. Okay, you have colored the diagram also. That's really good. But Dhanvi, there is one mistake. First thing is you have not written anything in capital letter. Everything is in small letter, right, beta? Second is, beta, this layer crust should be thinner. Mantle should be thicker. ठीक है बच्चे? Just rectify it. Got it, beta? Okay. Coming to Prerna. Yes, Prerna. Okay, Dhanvi. Thank you, बच्चे. Coming to Prerna. Show me a notebook, beta ji. Okay, crust, outer, inner. Okay, that's good, Prerna. Keep it up, beta. Keep it up, Krishna. Show me a notebook. Krishna. Yes, show me. Okay, Krishna with pen. Okay, neatness बिल्कुल नहीं है diagram में, Krishna. You have to make it neat. Okay, Bhavya. Yes, बच्चे notebook. Last notebook from Bhavya. Okay, this is Pavandeep also. Okay, hold on. Bhavya, I'm coming to you. Crust, mantle and core. Make bit जो crust है bit visible. ये बहुत बारीक लिखा हुआ है ना? थोड़ा सा इसको ज्यादा कर दो. Otherwise it's okay. Coming to Pavandeep. Yes, Pavandeep. Okay, coming to you.
Yes,
Pavan.
ma'am.
Yes, but just hold on. Okay. Songs you are not supposed to play. Pavandeep, you have written crust in small letter, which is not admirable. Same is with mantle, same is with core. Okay, done, beta ji. Pavandeep, done, beta. So all of you, please, everything, whatever you will write down, it should be in capital letter. Not at all in small letter. Got it?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
I've checked few notebooks. Some of your notebooks were perfectly correct. Diagram was perfectly correct. Some of you made it with pen. Even in the exam, if notebook is there, I'm not going to check it if it is done with a pen. Coming to Mishti. Mishti, yes, show me. Very good, Mishti. Very good. Look at the diagram made by Mishti. I guess every one of you have seen that, can see that. I have pinned it. Crust, mantle, core, inner and outer core. Very good, Mishti. Good. Keep it up. So diagram should be like this, neat, clean, black and white only. Very good, bache. Thank you, beta ji. So we have seen the diagrams. We have appreciated maximum of you, rather all of you, because you are making the diagrams a big thing for all of you. But keep one thing in your mind, that while making diagram, kindly capital letters, everything should be in capital letter. And okay, Harjeet also want to show me the notebook. So those students who want to show, yeah, Harjeet, beta, show me. Put it straight. Straight rakho. It's not clear, very much clear, Harjeet. You have kept it on your in your lap.
मैम मिरर हो रही है वीडियो.
Okay. Very right. Trust. Okay. Same. This is that is, I guess, it's not in capital letter, है ना? This Harjeet. Otherwise, good, beta. Keep it up. Keep it up. Very good. Yeah. Right. Good, bache. Good. So appreciable by all of efforts made by, done by, put by all of you. But just make clear about the capital letters and should be with pencil, not with the pen. Okay. Clap from my side to all of you, right? Next diagram which we are going to make, that is rock cycle. Now this diagram is bit, it needs your creativity. Nothing extraordinary is here. We have to make the shape of the rocks. So we have to be a bit careful about it. So I'm going to make the next diagram, that is rock cycle. Make a square or rectangle, your wish. So you can make it like this, not compulsion, but it becomes then compact. Okay? And here you can make, say first, volcano, lava is coming out. And here, you can write down, this is lava. And here you can write down igneous rocks. Right? And here also, lava has come out. And here we have igneous rocks. Okay? After igneous rocks, second is erosion process that would take place here. Erosion.
Nothing is visible.
That is erosion. And erosion se kya hoga? Sediments. These are the what? Sediments. Sediments are getting eroded. And ultimately, due to this, there is layers.
Blur.
Yeah. Layers and layers of layers and layers of sedimentation would take place, known as sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks. Look at the layers I have made. Very carefully do it like this only.
मैम अपने माउंटेन की लेफ्ट साइड पे क्या लिखा है?
Igneous rocks, both side lava is coming out. So igneous rocks are formed, right? And these are sediments, and the deposition of the sediment would turn into sedimentary rocks. I made sedimentary rocks in the form of layers. Be very careful. Now these sedimentary rocks, when they are under great pressure and high temperature, great pressure and high temperature, these sedimentary rocks will turn into metamorphic. So third arrow, metamorphic. So metamorphic rock. high temperature, high pressure. So metamorphic rocks now, they will move under crust. And what would form again? It would come out. Igneous rocks. Beta ji, I haven't done anything right now. It is as it is. So simple diagram. Igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. Self-explanatory here. We have written erosion, sedimentation. Sedimentary rocks are formed, pressure and temperature, metamorphic rocks are formed, and metamorphics when go under the deep crust, lava is there. Got it? You can use single color. I've used different, 2 colors I've used, but you can use single also. Not a big problem here.
मैम आपने प्रेशर हाई टेम्परेचर के ऊपर क्या लिखा है?
Metamorphic. Metamorphic. Is it clear now? Done, all of you? Take your time, no issues. Be very careful while making the diagrams. I always say neatness matters a lot. Capital letters matters a lot. Do it with pencil, either in the exam or in the copy notebooks. Should be done with pencil, not with pen. Because once you will do it with pen, it won't be easy for you to erase it if some mistake occurs. Done, all of you? I'm coming to you to check your notebooks.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
All of
Yes, ma'am.
and those students who have not shown me the notebooks, I'll ask from them only. So those who already who have shown me the notebooks, so don't show me once again. I know you might have done.
Excuse me, मैम.
Yes, बच्चे.
मैम आपने जो वहां पर लिखा है मैम सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स के ऊपर मैम वो क्या लिखा है? प्रेशर हाई.
Pressure and high temperature. Because whenever sedimentary
Okay.
rocks are under great pressure and great temperature, they turn into metamorphic. And one more thing you can add here. Even this lava, igneous rocks, when they are under same high pressure and high temperature, they also turn into metamorphic rocks. So both sided it is. It is both sided. It's not only sedimentary rocks are formed, even igneous rocks, when they are under great high pressure and great temperature, they also form metamorphic rocks. So you can do this addition also. So should we start now? We have less minutes, 4 minutes I have just with me. So I'm asking from first of all, Sohana. Sohana, beta, done? Show me your notebook, Sohana. Done, bache? Show me. Just hold on. I'm going to pin you. Yeah. थोड़ा सा पीछे रखना बच्चे, बहुत आगे blurred है, काफी ज़्यादा blurred दिख रहा है बच्चे. Yeah, good. But just put it in one box. Otherwise, it's perfectly correct. Good, beta ji. Okay, thank you. Coming to next child. Sanchit. Sanchit. Show me a notebook, beta. Bani. Sanchit and Bani, show me your notebooks. Yes, Bani. Okay, show me. Good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, good. Done. Sanchit, where's your notebook? Okay, coming to Kirtpal Singh. Kirtpal. Kirtpal Singh, show me your notebook, beta. Pranav. Kirtpal Singh, Pranav, Akriti. All three of you, show me your notebook. So these students are really very much attentive. So much busy, three of them, Pranav, Kirtpal and Akriti. Where are your notebooks? Coming to Krishna. Yes, beta ji. Yes, Krishna, show me your notebook. Just hold on. Where is the neatness, my dear child? Krishna, neatness is equally required, otherwise it's okay. ठीक है बच्चे, थोड़ा सा नीट बनाओ. Krishna, clear? Okay. Coming to
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Coming to Satvik, I was waiting for you. Satvik. Okay, Bhavesh.
मैंने कहना था मैम मैं वीडियो नहीं ऑन कर सकता मैम क्योंकि ना मैम ये दूसरा फोन है मैम इसकी क्लैरिटी अच्छी नहीं है मैम तो दिखता नहीं है मैम कुछ मैम.
Okay, no
मैंने
problem.
डायग्राम बनाया है.
Okay, ठीक है बच्चे, no problem. This is okay. Rishita, yes, beta ji, show me. Yeah, show me. Okay. So this is lava. Make this diagram of volcano bit. I mean, it's not so good. This one only. I guess you can see here the movement of my cursor where it is moving. This one, ye wala, this portion. Just make it again. Otherwise, it's correct. Good. Good, bache. Prerna, yes, beta ji, show me your notebook. ठीक है. This Rishita, good, bache. Prerna, coming to you. So last notebook from Prerna. Okay, good. Sediments, erosion. So, never ever make, like Prerna, all of you, those who can see her notebook, are just pointing out the common mistake which all of you people do. Never ever make it in a box. This is sedimentary rock, she has made it in boxes. Some of you have done it like that. So make it natural, like here. It's not in a box. I haven't make it in a box. Natural rakho isko, theek hai? Otherwise it's okay. Done, bache. Good, all of you. Keep it up. Do this. Do the practice of all these diagrams, and take care. Be at home. Don't